Assalamu alaikum and good morning, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. So, in today's class, we will be doing a very interesting activity, and the activity is that we will together learn that how we can find the important dates in the calendar, okay? Or how can we find out or how can we remember it without looking at the calendar? So, we will be doing both the ways, okay? So the first thing is before starting the lesson and before doing the practice exercise of it, I want you to tell me that how many of you are dependent on the calendar? How many of you check the calendar on daily basis that what date it is, or let's say when it is something important date coming on in this week or the next week or after 2 weeks, right? So how many of you check the calendar particularly for looking for the important dates? Raise your hand. Okay, so few of you do this. Okay, so now beside that, also tell me that how many of you marks important date on the calendar as well. Let's say on 12th of April, your best friend have a birthday, so you mark that, you circle it with a colored marker so that you can remember it whenever you pass, whenever you have a look at it, right? Similarly, when it is your parents anniversary, you can mark that. When is your siblings birthday, you can do that. If you have an important submission of something like you have to submit an assignment, you have a quiz in the class, so you do mark those dates on the calendar so that you don't forget about it. How many of you do this? Okay, very few. Okay, now see, this is very important thing. If we mark the dates on the calendar in this manner, we not only this is not only helps us in remembering the dates, but this is a very good practice because calendars are made for this purpose, right? So that we don't forget things, so that we can easily schedule things for us, so that we can easily carry out all our responsibilities and our activities on the proper time. So if you don't do this, well, I personally follow this, that I mark all the important dates on the calendar. When is my friend's birthday? When is my parents' anniversary? When am I supposed to go somewhere? So, well, we don't forget this usually, but still I mark that. Similarly, if I have a meeting, I do mark that date and etc. etc. at which time as well. Now because you are kids and you don't have your mobile phones, otherwise we do have calendars in our mobile phones as well, but yes, I know that all of you must have a calendar, wall calendars in your home, right? So do check that, do mark your all the important dates on that so you can easily remember all the upcoming events, all the important things. Okay, okay. Now in yesterday's class we talked about the Islamic calendar or the Hijri calendar, right? I told you that there are two types of calendar that we follow particularly. The one is the solar calendar and the other one is Hijri calendar or the Islamic calendar or the lunar calendar. There are three names for it. Now the solar calendar is the one which we follow on usual basis, like and which have 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Then we talked about the Islamic calendar. Islamic calendar is the one which helps us in doing all the religious activities, all the Islamic festivals. When is Eid? When is Ramadan? When is Hajj? Right? So we do follow, in order to look for the dates of all these Islamic events, we look for Islamic calendar. So then I also told you that there is a difference between the Islamic calendar and the the solar calendar. What is the difference? That it's not important, and this does not happen that when it is 1st of January, it is 1st of Muharram. No, right? They are not in line with each other. So there is a difference, and why that there is a difference? This difference is because of the rotation of the moon. Because in lunar calendar we follow the rotation of moon, right? Okay, so now I gave you a home assignment as well. I ask you to make calendar page on an A4 size paper or on a piece of chart. So how many of you have done that? Raise your hands. Okay, so yeah, I have a very good and brilliant class, right? So Most of you have done that. If not, not an issue, you can do it over the weekend as well. Okay, so now let's move forward toward the activities that we are going to do in today's class. But before that, let's have a look on the video. So I'm going to share the screen with you and let me know if it is visible for you or not. Okay, so let's quickly revise what is a calendar and what information it give to us. Okay,
A calendar. It looks something like this. You must have seen it in your house. It also looks something like this, like a planner with days on it. That's a calendar. Hmm, what does a calendar have? Calendar shows a year, months, days of the week, and days in number of days. That's actually a calendar.
okay, so see, they have summed up all the things that a calendar show us, or the information that a calendar show us. It tells us about which year it is, which month it is going on, how many days of the week are left, or which day it is of the week, and how many numbers of days are there in total, right? So all of these things, or all of this information, is being available to us through the calendar. Okay, so now I want all of you to please open your book, page number 99. This is page number 99. Please open this. Okay, in this, there is this small exercise number 7. It says, what month does the calendar show? Look at this and tell me which month does this calendar show. This is February. Very good. Look at the next question. What is the number of this month? Yes. Who is going to tell us what is the number of this month? February. Second. Very good, Elise. Okay. How many days does it have? Look at the number of days. Who is going to tell us the answer of this? How many numbers of days does it have? 29. Very good, Vase. Okay. Look at exercise number 8. Write down the day of the week for 10th August. Look at this and tell me what day it is on 10th of August. Yes, it's Sunday or fun day, right? Okay. Then you have to tell me about 29th July. 29th of July. Look for 29th of July and tell me what day it is. It's Tuesday. Very good, Sarah. Okay. Look at the next question. Write down the date. Now you are supposed to tell the date for the third Saturday in October 2008. Look at this third Saturday in October. This is October and these are Saturdays. So on third Saturday it is 18th, right? Okay. Then on last Friday in September. This is September and this is the column for Friday. So on last Friday we have 26 date. Got it? Okay. Now there is this interesting question. It says that if today is Monday, you're supposed to just suppose this, that if today is Monday the 12th, can you think of a shortcut to find the date of next Monday without looking at the calendar? What you will be doing? You will be adding 7 into that date. So 12 plus 7 gives 19. So this means that on next Monday it would be 19th, right? Now we have find out this without looking at the calendar, right? Now a week after any day is the same day. Let's say if today is Tuesday, so after 7 days it would be again Tuesday. Got it? Similarly, if third of a month is a Monday, a week and a fortnight after it will also be Monday, which means, and what does fortnight means? Fortnight means 2 weeks. Got it? Okay. Turn the page. Now let's look at page number 100. On this, we have another exercise. Fill out the dates in this calendar and answer the following questions. On which day is 1 December? 1 December is on Saturday. Just first fill it out, starting from 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and move till 31. Okay? Then see on which day is 17th December. 17th would be on Monday. Very good. Okay, if today is 12th, what day was it yesterday? Definitely 11th. Okay. The date of the third Monday of the month is third Monday of month is this is third Monday. So the date would be 10. Very good. And then it says that give the dates for all the Mondays. So on first Monday we have 3, then we have 10. Very good. Then we have 17. Excellent. Then we have 24, and finally 31st. Got it? Now, there is this interesting activity, a home assignment for you. You will be having a fun doing this. That is that make a list of the public holidays in your country for this year, giving their days and dates. When you will go home after the school, take out calendar from the wall, look for all the public holidays and note them down in a piece of paper with their days and dates both. Okay? And then bring it to the class, next class, and then I have a look at it. If you want to make, you can make a small design around the page as well. You can make it colorful by adding some pictures to it, or etc etc, right? Okay class, so that was all for today. What we have done, we have learned about how we can find a particular date or a particular day on the calendar. So do practice it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.